Sanibona ekuseni sesimashile kaningi abanye bethu simashile samasha mhla 30 June wafika wadlula. Okay, ebesikulindele abanye bethu akwenzakalanga, kuvele nje kwaba mayelana nje nemasha enkulu kunawo wonke all over the country. So ngasohlangothini lika Sisu Jacinta Ngobese, the goal was achieved. Ngasohlangothini lika Bhutu Phakela Mthakathi, I think you misled us. We were expecting something beyond the march. March is what we expected from the side ka Sisu Jacinta. Wena net deadline ya 30 June besilindele something else. All right. Manje because abantu ba emotional. They're getting angry when we question certain things that we are seeing. I started seeing something getting off 2 weeks before, or maybe even a month. Let's say 2 weeks before kufika usuku lweMarch. Ngathi something is changing fast and furious here. All right, so I will put this on record. Abantu ababalekile, they fled because they thought the war is coming. They did not flee because a peaceful large march was going to be held in South Africa. Nobody flees a country because of peace. So it is the fear of war, all right, that made people to flee. All right, so now that there has been zero war, I wonder ngifuna ungena nje quickly kulento ka Bhutu Phakela. Angizange lalele yonke press conference. I'm just checking those snippets that he posts himself kwi-page kwikhasi lakhe, because at least ku-safe angithi ngoba kupostwe uyena ngeke athi he was quoted out of context. All right. Kukhona nje a couple of comments which are leaving me unhappy or uncomfortable. Ithi ngiqala nje ngokuthi kulento leyo ukuthi ubizwe upresident, nibizwe nobabili nongizwe to meet the president. There is something wrong about it. All right. It's a divide and rule strategy. That's what it is. And then you can't blame us and say we are the ones who are dividing and rule for questioning your attending that meeting without Jacinta. Of course, you are correct. You are not the one who organized the meeting. So it's the president who called you. So so now the question is, in normal cases, when you see a person trying to divide you, what is your duty? What is your duty? And who actually rallied us to this call? Is it you or is it Jacinta? So when I saw Tola, if first priority yokuthi ubizwe president, not the founder of the cause, something is wrong there. Umuntu asungule ilentuza i-campaign or i-cause bese yena ashika emuva, and then bese kungena wena. Okay, uzothi innocently vele awuzimemanga, but mambenyiwa kusho ukuthi ungaya ngithi, because you still can say no, I'm not coming if such and such is not invited as well. All right. And even if you decide to okay, it's the president, and you are a respectful man. Okay. I wish you could respect Jacinta Ngobese the same way, because I'm not hearing that kulento nyana ka Jacinta kulento yethu esithi uJacinta avikele into nyana yakhe encane esimnikeza esimdida kuyo kanti wena rather nenze ukuthi ikhule lento nyana ka Jacinta. Your selection of words is very disrespectful to Jacinta. So you respect ban abo baba labaya or president nabo Tamintuli. Lokho ka Jacinta intonyana. I don't like that. So into encane. Okay. Sikwaze ngoJacinta bhuti. Okay, ngiyeza usho ukuthi wena utshatha uke announce ngo 2017 wayiqala kudala insizwa nobunsizwa. Asiyazi bhuti thina size kwi-march and march size to fight against illegal immigration. There's been many causes. Wena ngakathi uqala insizwa nobunsizwa la eSoweto la ke Dlamini bebeqala imbumba. So zidala ziba khona lezi zinto sizama ukulwa nama illegal immigrants. Actually eMlazi they had a far more formalized and structured system to reclaim the country's economy or informal sector eyayibizwa ngedela ngokubona nayo yalinyazwa nje similar way to what we are observing kolokhu osukwenza or osekwenziwa ukuthi bizelwe nganhlanye umqalwe wendlela yena abekele eceleni. All right. So we've seen these things many times. Here's what I've noticed about Jacinta. She's not bribable. Ufana nami. We're not bribable. So what I'm starting to see now, I'm seeing you are blaming other people, and I can see what you're pointing at abantu MKP. I'm not MKP, but I am in solidarity with MKP when it comes to the Black South African cause. All right, especially economic transformation, land redress, and the likes. So now, into enginenkinga la wena bhuti Phakela ukuthi uyabona ukuthi okay so ugade laba be-MK ukuthi bangazo hijacka lento kaJacinta for their MK purposes, but when you did it seems, or rather now it becoming a question ukuthi you used it also to promote your IFP folk, because you've made uThamintuli to shine, and then umdu Miyeza shines bright. And mina ngiyancoma ukuthi uMdu ukulento ngiyamethemba ke yena. He seems to be an honorable man, imeya semtshezi, but Thamintuli I'm just seeing now sengiyadigesta ngithi akusho ukuthi wena uye wafakwa ngoba kubonakele ukuthi uJacinta angeke aze apromote inkatha, just like she won't promote any other political organization. So mayinkathi ehluleko kumenza umuntu wayo kusho ukuthi kuke kwangeniswa wenake ukuthi ube parallel up to ukuqhwaga ke i-course, because when you are now sitting with the president and the initiator of this course is left outside, khona ukuqhwagelana ke la. Kukhona leya group leya sethokoza, but ithokoza abahambe something like that. Yazi ngeke ngacasuka mabe kuhlasela I think 2 or 3 weeks ago sakuvikela. I sengithathe i-180 degree turn ngathi maybe they had a point. Kusho ukuthi bakwazi as you were discussing together, because khona abayisho ngawe ngakudefenda sathi bona banomona bakujelasela, kodwa hayi kusho ukuthi bebebone into ethize, uyathola. So I'm just seeing you noma ubiza i-press conference the following day sisaxakekile ukuthi kwenzakalani, ubiza i-conference okay ukhuluma ngendlela okhuluma ngayo, I guess indlela obunsizwa ke ukuba as raw as you are, and then you're not even giving us a direction ukuthi now that the 30th of June have passed fanele senzeni. Sixakekile thina ngoba akwenzekanga lokho ebesikulendele ukuthi kwenzeke ngedate zikaJune. So sesixakekile ukuthi what is supposed to be happening today, tomorrow and the like. So at least usis Jacinta uthe kuzoba nama-march ngama-Thursday, wena uthini? Angithi uyasitshela ukuthi our report kuJacinta. Angithi uyasitshela thina sikwaze ngoJacinta phela, sikwaze nge-march and march, asikwazi wena nensizwa nobunsizwa besingayazi. So since wena ke our report kuJacinta, all right, angithi awureport kuJacinta. Wonderful. So wena-ke utheni? Ngibone upromota mina Insizwa Nobunsizwa, ngibone kuyi-platform yokuthi uzimakethe than to be telling us ukuthi what is supposed to happen now that what you insinuated would happen did not happen. The march site is Jacinta's idea as such. The threats or kind of like insinuated threats from your side uzuye naseyintabeni uyothandaza bothandazela i-peaceful march but though the time uthi ningaboshwa nokuboshwa ningabulawa izwe lenu ubushola for ukuthi ngokokuthi nizo-organize i-peaceful march ngenkathi ukuthi abahambe khona soqondana ngqo nalama-Nigeria adelelayo. So ungqoqondana nama-Nigeria i-peaceful march. Wow. I don't believe that. There's something very off about you. Usuvele waba unhlanhla-lax nawe. Usuvele waba yilaba nabo esabona la eSoweto. Siyabazi, I mean, kudala uRamaphosa engena kulezi zinto ezidestroy. Njengoba uzibhala nawe bakwenze kanjalo. Ubala laba abanye but nawe sosikhombisa lezo nkomo. Angithi sesine-experience sibonile abanye before usikwazi. We didn't even know you exist. Bengenwa the same way uRamaphosa. Ebabizela nganhlanye. So maya sekubizwa wena nganhlanye uSis Jacinta yena ebekelwe eceleni. Fa singasoli. I'll call that important that we shouldn't question your motives. No. Now umuntu so far as a question. Something is wrong here. I believe you're sold out. I believe you turned around from what was supposed to be. And then wazenza ngathi you were all along about a peaceful march. You know, sabiswe 600 million uzoboshwa and everything. I mean, ubize amabutho abantu bempi ukuthi bazomasha estradini. Interesting. But anyway, I'm just saying, sir, kuthulekile kwezinye indawo sixakekile, and then asazi what is supposed to be happening because there's no directive, because you left us blank at the end of the day. So most of our communities aqhubekayo yilaba babevele bezenzela something even before uqhamuka. Like East Rand, those people have always fought their battles without you. So they've been rejuvenated ukuthi kubenze njalo. Let's what akwenzeki neXpress, they don't know what to do. All right. So I don't know. Your leader, there's a leadership vacuum, absolute vacuum. And then instead kubonakala kuzovele kureverse kakhulu than before. The little gains that we got before i-30 zikaJune might just reverse fast and furious because there's a leadership vacuum. All right. So my brother, Mina, I believe you abandoned the struggle. You misled us. You made rhetorics which made us have big expectations which were never met. For the 30th, i-idea kaSis Jacinta iyona ephumelele. Eyakho angazi. This is not what I envisaged from yourself. So ngiyakusola vele president uye onqhathayo no Jacinta, but I can see ukuthi you happily accepted the invitation. It's a simple story sengcina. All you needed to do is to send an SMS. Hey Jacinta, ngimenywa upresident. Just be aware. And if you want me to forward a particular point of importance, please let me be aware of that so that ngizodlulisa the president, because I've been granted the audience of the president. How yaziyela our consulting issue no Jacinta ukuthi omcele ngoba wena our report kuye. Wow. Let me stick to Jacinta. Okay.